In this video, we will learn about exception handling in Python. Whenever error occur in our Python program, exceptions are raised. Let's see an example of it. I will create a list in Python and call it my list variable and give it some values. Car, the second one, man, and then bird. Now we have a list. Now I'm going to use my list function index, which takes a value as a parameter and return index location if it exists in our list. I'm going to declare another variable, index log, in which I will keep the index location, and then I will use my list function index and give it some value from the list, for example man, and then I'm going to print index location, index. I need to save it. I'll call it ex.py. Then on my terminal, I need to run it. Python. Then our program name ex.py. You can see it printed 1. The index location of man in the list is 1. This program has no issues, but if we try to find some value which don't exist in the list, for example, I'll type dog, which is not in our list, it should raise an exception. And save it and run it again. Now you can see the exception. It also shows the line number and the code, and the error dog is not in list. If exception is raised in our program, the program exits. If we want to keep the program running and print the message on exception, we need to surround our code with the try and exception block. We can do this by typing try, and then we need to indent. And then we can go here and type except, and then over here I'm gonna print in index log variable some message such as dog not found, and save it. Now we should expect that if we don't find dog, then we get this message dog not found. Need to save it and run it again. We can see we got this message dog not found. So this way you can catch exceptions in Python. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.